introduce myself. My name is Nikhil. Today's date is 8 August and today's our topic is instantiation and inheritance. First of all, we will see what is instantiation. To understand instantiation, first we will need to understand what is constructor, because it is a task of constructor. Then what is constructor? Constructor is a method which has special tasks. For example, it has two special tasks: instantiation and next is initialization. Instantiation means creation of object, and initialization means when there in class, if there is no constructor present, then compiler will create a default constructor, and it will assign value to variable default values to variables. For example, if in our class x and y are variable of data type int, and in that class the constructor is not present, so the default value of x and y we see is 0 0. It is assigned by default constructor. Then we will come to concept of inheritance. Inheritance means to acquire the property of parent class into child class. There are mainly 5 types of inheritance. First is simple inheritance, second is multi-level inheritance. In simple inheritance there are only one parent and one child. In multi-level inheritance there is 3 classes: grandparent class, parent class and child class. Grandparent class extends parent class extends grandparent class, and child class extends parent class. Child class extends parent class. Next is hierarchical. In hierarchical inheritance, one parent class and 2 child class are present. Fourth is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, 2 parent class and 1 child class is present, and in hybrid is a combination of all inheritance. But fourth and fifth type means multiple and hybrid inheritance are not supported by Java. Next we will come to when we create how to the syntax of inheritance means how to call one class method to another class. Then what we will do. A is a parent class, for example, and in that I will write A's constructor, and then in that I will write B extends A, means B is a child class of A. In here B, and then I will create a B constructor, and in that SOP I will write ABC. When I am calling from main method of B, I am calling only B's constructor, then expected output should be what is in B's SOP XYZ. It should be that, but actually it does not happen. What compiler does, compiler internally call us default constructor, means no arguments constructor using super keyword. So we will see the output as XYZ and ABC. So when we see the syntax, assumption of programmers was that due to extend keyword, the parent class property are inherited by child class. But in practical ways, it is not like that, because to access parent class property to child class, we need to call constructor. This is the concept behind it. Thank you. This is all from my side.